Welcome to Rainforest Reading. Learning to read in English can be like trying to find your way through a rainforest, but Rainforest Reading lights the way. To help make sense of it all, I started researching the origins of the English written language. To simplify the history, Old England, called Anglo-Saxon England, had a writing system called runes. There were 34 sounds in the English language used at the time, and there were 34 runes, or symbols, so it was a perfect one-to-one match. Then monks came to England to spread their religion. They didn't want to use runes because they were associated with witchcraft and magic, so they decided to write down the English language using the Roman alphabet. This is where the problem began. Anglo-Saxon English had 34 sounds, but the Roman alphabet of the time only had 23 letters. The monks needed to be creative. They hired scribes, people who write down the language, to help them write down words. Scribes were from different countries, so the solutions they came up with were very different. One solution was to group letters together to make one sound. For example, the SH, which is pronounced sh. There are many reading programs that teach phonics. In general, they teach children to associate one sound with one letter. In reality, there are many ways to pronounce the different letters, especially the vowels. A perfect example is the letter A. In these example words, you can see that it has 5 different ways that it can be pronounced. In the word bat, the letter A is pronounced A. In ball, it's pronounced A. In many, it's pronounced E. In about, it's pronounced A. And in acorn, it's pronounced A. Because there are variations in the ways that letters are pronounced in English, the letters can't be the foundation for English reading. In English, there are 44 sounds. They are the real building blocks of English, and in Rainforest Reading, that is where we begin. Many kids can bridge the gap between what they learn in school, the letter sounds and a few letter combinations, and the actual books they will be reading. But what about the kids that have difficulty paying attention, or don't do well with the sight word method, or lack motivation? Rainforest Reading can help bridge the gap. As you can see, in Rainforest Reading, children build words first with pictures. This boy in the middle had a lot of difficulty learning how to read with traditional programs. His mother said that until he tried Rainforest Reading, nothing worked.
Rena, I'm gonna spell that. Way!
Okay, those are your 3 sounds. What word are you going to spell? Go ahead, put it in the first spot. Okay, what is that word? Close. Let's look at the picture.
Parrot.
Say the words. Say them close together.
Pot.
Yes, you did it. That's the word. Now write it.
Rainforest Reading works because it helps students to understand that it's sounds that make up the words. Once they learn the sounds, they can start connecting them with the letters. When they are still learning, they can check the back to correct themselves. Here you can see him a few weeks later reading words with blends.
This is the next show of Ruffy Defeat Word.
Okay, let's do it.
So
Defeat the word.
I'm gonna do it with my brain army.
Okay, do it with your brain army. Okay.
Tram.
Yep.
Team Tram defeated.
Another client is using Rainforest Reading with all 3 of her kids. They range in age from 6 to 8 years old. Even though they are all at different levels of the program, they can play the games together and support each other's learning.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A.
What sound does it make?
A says I in I.
And you found the picture, that's right, ant.
One way to help children to read complicated letter patterns is to label them with stickers. I got this idea from the way Japanese teachers help their students to understand kanji, the symbols that represent some words in Japanese. Japan has 2 phonetic alphabets. Hiragana is one of them. It is used on the sides of complicated words to help children to decode them. I have done the same with Rainforest Reading. Here you can see that I labeled the AI with a picture of an acorn, the A in watching with a picture of an otter, and the TCH digraph with a picture of chocolate.
Dinos.
You needed a sticker. Do you remember what that sticker is?
A.
A.
Sailing.
Yeah.
Very fast dinos.
Oh, we used some stickers there.
Watching.
Yeah.
Will go past.
When readers advance to level 3 of my program, the forest floor, they will be able to start using a very important tool, the Rainforest Reading bookmark. Here you can see that this boy is using the bookmark to solve the word against. He tries 2 sounds and then he pronounces it correctly.
One day, Mom found a parking ticket on our car. The ticket said it was a
Okay, so you're checking the bookmark.
Yes.
Good.
Against.
Try the other sound of the AI on the bookmark. There's 2 sounds of the AI.
Elephant bill.
Good. Try that one.
Against.
Great. The girl in this next example is stuck with the EA letter pattern. Let's see how she solves it using the bookmark.
Most of them said pay.
Okay, look for the EA on your bookmark. There it is. How do we pronounce that? Try one of them. Which one makes more sense? Yes, good fun.
If you go to the booklet on the website, you can read more information. For example, you can see what is taught at each of the 6 levels of my program. I researched the ways that different single letters and letter combinations are pronounced in English. In all, I analyzed over 4,000 words. This became the basis for my program. I discovered that by learning just 96 patterns and their different pronunciations, students will be able to read over 96% of the words in any children's book.